Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. So welcome to my channel Iqmal Putra. So today we want to review how to upgrade for SSD for the Asus UX. The model is UX21E. So a very small laptop. The size around, I think, at the 11-inch. So solid aluminum casing. So today we want to see how to upgrade the SSD for this laptop. So this laptop is powered by Intel Core i5 and the Windows 7. The design is very premium design. Okay, so we go back. First you need to unscrew this screw. This screw very small, so you need to start very small. So you need use the star type of the screwdriver. The model is T4. The size is T4. Okay. So you need unscrew here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 screw. So I already opened the screw. So here the model, you can see model here is designed by Asus, China model, assembled in China. Model is UX21E notebook piece. The input power is 19 and 2.37 ampere, 45 watt. Designed by Asus Text. So now we open. After you take out the screw, then you can open the casing. Okay, very solid aluminum casing. Okay, here the inside. So we have the battery. Okay, we have this SSD .m2. The original is from the SanDisk. The size is 128 GB. So if you want to upgrade this SSD M.2, you need to, this one we have the another screw here. You take out the screw and pull out, and you can change the SSD. Another, we have you can clean. When you open, you can clean the fan, CPU fan. These are CPU and GPU. You can clean before you close this casing. Okay, this laptop, the RAM is the internal RAM. The RAM, you cannot upgrade the RAM because the RAM is on board. So very slim design. Okay, here we have the micro HDMI with the USB and for the audio visual input output. Others, we have the USB 3.0, HDMI, micro HDMI, and this the charging port. So we now want to clean this fan. Okay, before you do the clean up, you need have this brush. So any brush you can, but you need have the soft one. So you can clean here. You can see where the fan, and clean here. So very careful. This fan is dirty. You have option to take out these two screws and take out the fan, but mine you can okay, these are the speaker. The speaker, is the heatsink here. This is the fan. Do not forget to clean. Okay, already clean. So you can close up and screw back. Only that. So maybe you can do with yourself for the SSD upgrade. Thanks for the watching. Please subscribe and like and share my channel. Assalamualaikum. 73. Bye bye.